Most people look at the Wyndham Earner Card and immediately focus on the welcome bonus or the free nights. But that's actually not the reason this card stands out. The real value comes from one benefit that quietly saves frequent travelers hundreds of dollars every year. And surprisingly, most cardholders never fully use it. In this video, I'll break down the one Wyndham Earner Card benefit that actually makes the card worth keeping in 2026. I'll show you exactly how it works, who should use it, where people waste value, and how to maximize it without spending a fortune. And stay until the end because there's one hidden strategy that can turn this card from average into one of the most underrated hotel cards available right now. So let's get straight into it. The biggest reason many people apply for the Wyndham Earner Card is the points. But honestly, points alone are not enough anymore. Hotel loyalty programs keep changing redemption prices, and inflation has made travel rewards harder to maximize. But here's where the Wyndham Earner Card gets interesting. The real standout benefit is the automatic Wyndham Platinum status that comes with the card. Now, at first, that may not sound exciting. A lot of people hear hotel status and assume it's just a fancy label. But this is where most people misunderstand the value. Platinum status changes how you earn points, how you check in, and how quickly you can get free stays. And if you travel even a few times per year, the math starts adding up surprisingly fast. Let's make this simple. Imagine someone named Jake travels 4 or 5 times a year for road trips, family visits, or weekend vacations. He stays at affordable hotels like La Quinta, Days Inn, or Wyndham Garden properties. Without status, Jake earns points at the standard rate. But with platinum status from the card, he earns bonus points on paid stays automatically. That means every booking moves him closer to free nights much faster. And that's only the beginning. Platinum members also get preferred rooms when available, late checkout at some properties, and priority customer support. Now, these perks vary by hotel, so don't expect luxury suite treatment every time. But for budget and mid-range travelers, these small upgrades genuinely improve the experience. But here's the problem. Most people never calculate the real-world value of accelerated earnings. Let's say Jake spends around $1,000 annually at Wyndham hotels. Between base points, platinum bonuses, and credit card spending rewards, he could end up earning enough points for 1 or even 2 free nights depending on the property category. That's where the card starts paying for itself. And in a minute, I'll show you the specific spending category that makes this even more powerful. Now, one reason this card gets overlooked is because people compare it to premium luxury travel cards. That's the wrong comparison. The Wyndham Earner Card is not trying to compete with luxury airport lounge cards or ultra-premium travel perks. It's designed for practical travelers. People who drive often. People who stay at roadside hotels. People who travel domestically. People who want value without spending thousands every month. And that's exactly why the platinum status benefit matters so much. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Wyndham ecosystem includes more than just traditional hotels. Wyndham has partnerships and vacation rental options that many people ignore completely. This means your points can sometimes be used for cabins, vacation rentals, and unique stays instead of just standard hotel rooms. So when your accelerated point earnings combine with platinum bonuses, the flexibility becomes much more valuable than people expect. But let's talk about the second piece that makes this status even stronger. The Wyndham Earner Card also gives strong earnings on gas purchases. And this matters because the typical Wyndham customer is often a road traveler. Think about it. If someone drives regularly for work, road trips, or family travel, gas becomes one of their biggest recurring expenses. Instead of earning weak cashback from generic cards, they're stacking Wyndham points at a higher rate. Now combine that with platinum status bonus earnings from hotel stays. Suddenly, everyday spending starts funding future travel automatically. This is the exact strategy experience points users follow. They don't chase luxury perks they'll never use. They focus on reward ecosystems that match their actual lifestyle. And that's where many people fail with travel cards. They apply for cards based on hype instead of behavior. If you stay at luxury resorts twice a year, this may not be the perfect setup for you. But if you drive regularly, book affordable hotels, and want simple travel rewards, the Wyndham Earner Card becomes surprisingly efficient. Now let's talk about a mistake that destroys value. A lot of users redeem Wyndham points poorly. They book low-value hotel nights during cheap cash rate periods. That's usually a bad move. For example, if a hotel costs only $80 cash, but requires a large number of points, paying cash often makes more sense. Instead, smart users save points for expensive dates, holiday weekends, peak travel periods, concert weekends, tourist-heavy seasons. That's where Wyndham points become much stronger, and Platinum status helps you earn toward those high-value redemptions faster. But here's something almost nobody talks about. The psychological value of travel rewards matters too. When travelers know they already have points waiting, they're more likely to take small trips they would normally skip. That creates real lifestyle value. A weekend getaway suddenly feels cheaper. A family stop during a road trip becomes easier. An unexpected hotel stay feels less painful. And that's why simple hotel ecosystems often outperform complicated luxury systems for average travelers. Now, I mentioned earlier, there's one hidden strategy most people miss. Here it is. The best way to maximize the Wyndham Earner Card is by pairing gas spending with Wyndham hotel promotions. Wyndham frequently runs promotions that offer bonus points for multiple stays or specific booking windows. When you stack card earnings, platinum bonuses, and promotional bonuses together, the points pile up much faster than expected. This is how some travelers generate several free nights per year without extreme spending. But this is where discipline matters. Don't overspend just to earn points. Travel rewards only work when they match purchases you already plan to make. That's the golden rule. Now let's answer the question many viewers are probably thinking. Is Platinum status alone enough to justify the annual fee? For occasional travelers, maybe not. But for anyone staying at Wyndham properties several times yearly, especially road travelers, the answer can absolutely be yes. Because the value is not coming from one giant luxury perk. It comes from constant small wins. Faster point earning. Better redemption opportunities. Occasional room upgrades. Priority treatment. And practical travel savings. Those small advantages compound over time. And honestly, that's what makes this card more realistic than many flashy travel cards online. Now another thing people underestimate is simplicity. Some travel cards require complicated transfer partners, airline alliances, reward charts, and timing strategies. The Wyndham Earner setup is much easier to understand. Spend on gas. Stay at Wyndham properties. Earn points faster. Redeem strategically. Simple systems usually get used more consistently. And consistency creates the best long-term value. Now before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about who should probably skip this card. If you rarely travel, rarely drive, or strongly prefer luxury hotel brands like Marriott or Hyatt, this card may not fit your lifestyle. Also, if you mainly want airport lounge access or premium airline perks, there are stronger premium cards available. But if your travel style is practical, budget-conscious, and road trip focused, this card quietly becomes one of the most useful hotel cards in its category. Especially because the Platinum status starts immediately without requiring dozens of hotel nights. That shortcut alone saves time and effort. And in today's travel economy, convenience has real value. So here's the bottom line. The Wyndham Earner Card is not really about flashy luxury. The one benefit that makes it worth it is the automatic Platinum status combined with accelerated point earnings. That combination helps everyday travelers earn free stays faster, improve hotel experiences slightly, and turn normal spending into practical travel savings. For the right type of traveler, that's far more useful than oversized luxury perks they'll barely use. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite hotel rewards card right now. And if you want, I can also show you the best ways to redeem Wyndham points for maximum value in 2026.